Hello, this is Amy from Clutter Care, where we believe in making time and creating space for what you deserve. If you've seen me around but haven't gotten to work with me yet, digital organizing workshops are a low cost, high value way to work with me. I am known as the Google expert, the Google guru, and my Google person, especially for professional organizers. I am a professional organizer, a teacher, and a mom of two girls, one with ADHD and one with celiac disease. I have been a Google certified trainer since 2012 and always show you the easiest way to create systems that work for you and your business within Google. In a digital organizing workshop, you get 2 hours of time with me live on Zoom to ask questions about anything Google, technology, and professional organizing while you work on a digital organizing project, or just sit and listen to everyone else's awesome ideas and the solutions and tips and tricks that I have for everybody else. Since you are not alone with your digital technology issues, there is a community of people all working together during the call on the same things. And everyone always learns something new. We also know it is always hard to do the things that we want to do least. We keep putting them off and avoiding them. Scheduling these 2 hours for yourself to take care of some digital organizing items will help you create and maintain systems in the long run and relieve some stress in the short term. Exactly the same things as we tell our organizing clients. Register now for a digital organizing workshop and be sure to set aside time for yourself now to create more time and space for what you deserve later.